Hey guys, Brett here, and I'm going to show you my zippo collection, and I will be probably having some of these for sale, but at a later time. So let's get started. Got two dragon ones with 3D all the way around, and they work. Got some other nice ones. That one is Black Ops, and then you got an MW3, two Vietnam ones. One I got off internet from the SHOT Show. .007, Navy, two Naruto ones, that one's mud vein, can't really tell. And your basic ones. Then you got the one from Constantine, but smaller. Then a replica of the one from 007. Casino Royale is a DuPont. Real nice. That one I'm keeping. And one from Sucker Punch I'm keeping. But just give me a PM, let me know if any of them you like, and I'll let you know the price or whatever. Yeah, crazy. Alright, later.